Hi, this is Dr. Shairi Turner, she, her pronouns. I am the Chief Health Officer at Crisis Text Line with the Public Policy and Advocacy Team and the Student Learning Practicum Program. It's back to school season already. So my young adult children are now in college, but I so remember the weeks and the days leading up to the start of the new school year. Buying school supplies, anticipating which teachers, which classes, and some of the natural anxiety that went with it. So here are some of the tips that I found helpful during this season. Start back to school routines early. So we would try to get the back to school routine started about 1 to 2 weeks prior to school. Get them to bed earlier in order to get them up earlier. Not always easy to do, but something to aspire to. Next, set up play dates with friends both before the year starts and once it gets started. So we would set up play dates with some friends they may not have seen over the summer, and then some dates in the early fall for them to look forward to. Visit the school and meet the teachers in advance if you can, especially for those less outgoing children. This can make the teacher an early ally and advocate, and then give the teacher tips on how to best work with your child. Next, validate their concerns. There is so much going on in the world at large that a new school environment can feel overwhelming. Help your kids to plan their fears. Don't try to fix things. Instead, listen to their worries and have them write them down and come up with a plan for each situation. So, I won't have any friends to play with. Well, how can you help them to approach other children, maybe do some role play, or find out if they know other children who share their interests? Next, try to really know your children. And lastly, seek support for your child sooner rather than later. Talk to the school guidance counselor, find a therapist if you notice changes in behavior, and for older children and teens, remind them that they can always text school to 741-741 for free mental health support 24/7, anytime, any place. And you as a parent can also visit our Crisis Text Line website at crisistextline.org for invaluable back-to-school resources and tools. Good luck.